If you haven't discovered Radio Content Pro yet and the amazing things it can do for your show and for your radio station on the air, online, and on social media, let me give you a quick example. Yesterday, you probably heard about Kamala Harris, probably going to be the presidential nominee for the Democratic Party. Well, Radio Content Pro found an amazing article about The Simpsons predicting Kamala's presidency in another Nostradamus moment. Now, you know that The Simpsons are famous for being the predictor of a lot of different things throughout their 30-year run. Well, this is a really interesting story. So I'm going to show you what the story was, how the story was curated, and this was curated within 2 minutes of it being published. Here's the headlines. The Simpsons writer Al Jean highlights the show's prediction about Kamala Harris' candidacy. Shows Lisa Simpson as a future U.S. president in an episode, best known for its oddly accurate predictions over the years. So that's the gist. Summary, here's 2 paragraphs that you could use as a news story. You could use it in an entertainment story. Here's what you do with it on the air. Here's 3 teases. Which TV show's writer claims that Kamala's presidential bid was predicted years ago? This answer will make you do a double take. Great teases that are ready to go. The commentary with a video script ready. If you want to create a video from this or a commentary that you would use on the air as a personality that's ad-libbing about it, there you go. It's done for you. Here's 3 responses, edgy, mainstream, and family-friendly. Awesome responses. 3 or 4 phone topics. Then your digital content, your blog post title, a blog post that's on the topic that's a little bit longer, Facebook post, X or Twitter posts, and Instagram post, and other social media thought starters in edgy, mainstream, and family-friendly style. And if you need more information, there's the article source. Now, I showed you all of that to show you this. How do you use it on your show? You can get even more granular and even more detailed by clicking on RCP Sidekick. This is an AI bot that lives in the corner of every content piece, and you can tell the AI exactly what you want. So I'm going to type in here that I am a very edgy, provocative personality on a rock show that targets men. I want you to give me some more ideas for phone topics that will get listeners aggravated, excited, and provoked into calling with outrageous stories about this article regarding Kamala and the Simpsons. So let's see what it turns out. It's going to think here for a couple of seconds. It'll give me a bunch of ideas. Some of them might be good ideas, some of them might not, but either way, it's going to inspire your creativity. And you can use RCP Sidekick on every single piece of content. This is just one of the ways to do it. So the Simpsons prophecy, coincidence or agenda? Do you believe the Simpsons writers actually have a crystal ball, or is there some hidden agenda playing out? Let's hear your conspiracy theories. Politics and pop culture, is it crossing the line? What's your take? Should cartoons stay out of politics, or do they hit the nail on the head? I want your no-filter thoughts. Who's next? Have your say. If Lisa Simpson can morph into Kamala Harris, who else from TV do you predict will invade our political scene next? Cartman as Secretary of State, anyone? This is good stuff. Just think how much you can do with this. Is the Simpsons puppet mastering our future? Help me unpack this. Do the eerie predictions make the Simpsons puppet master we didn't sign up for? Is this messing with your head too? And Harris versus the Simpsons versus Lisa. Who do you trust more? I love this one. Given the choice of Lisa Simpson or Kamala Harris for president, who gets your vote and why? Make your argument as fierce as you want. Awesome. I mean, think about what you could do with that. So it's a great example of something political that's happening in the world today. And you're taking it and putting a unique spin on it and moving it into pop culture, some entertainment that you can do with it. So you get out of the who's right, who's wrong, who I'm voting for, who I'm not. You can stay out of the political mess, and you can leverage something that's happening in the world that everybody's talking about and turn it into information and entertainment for your show. And that's the power of Radio Content Pro. If you'd like to find out more about it, you can set up a demo. It's market exclusive by format, And you can go to Radio Content Pro to get more details and set up a demo so you can see how it works in action and get it on your station.